Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome again, welcome again. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, my people. It depends where you take your time to watch my video. Yeah, for the new subscriber, if you're new here, guys, and if it's the first time to watch my video, kindly consider by subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, to share, like, and comment. And for returning viewers, welcome again to watch my video. I'm appreciating you all wherever you are. You are the one who create your time to watch this vlog, to support us by subscribe to our YouTube channel by watching our videos, guys. So guys, today's it's a fine day, and I'm down here where we are constructing our house, and the job is going on. So guys, today's job, we have already, you can see here, down here to my brother's place, the job is going on, and we have already finishing building our wall. Yeah, see my people how our wall house looks like. This is our wall house looks like, my people. And we have already finishing building our wall. We have already finishing rental. The thing that remaining, maybe for plastering or for design our wall. So that's the thing that remaining. Yeah, at the same time, my people, we want to burn these steamers here. We want to make a charcoal. This is the hole here. So this hole that you are seeing here, this place, we are going to put a fire so that we can get a charcoal here. Yeah, all these things that you are seeing here, for those trees that were here, we cut those trees. So we are going to burn the charcoal here. So charcoal sometimes help us a lot, even for cooking, our meal, for cooking our food, yeah. So after we burn this, will help a lot. Even we can sell them in per actually in packages, yeah. It's like maize. When you harvest maize, and you put in sacks, and you sell. Yeah, even here in our place at Nyabohanse center, actually we sell. There's some people who are selling charcoal. Yeah, after finishing burning, we can sell. Yeah, so this is our compound. How it looks like, my people. Actually, you can see how our compound it looks like. Yeah, we planted at the back, guys, we planted some fruits here, but in bad luck, there were many trees here, but some small trees that survived, I mean fruits. But we right now, the way I'm talking, guys, the job is going on here. We want to levelize this place so that they can come in one level. So right here they are levelizing here, this place here. You can see up in that side it's up, but down here it's slant, like, I don't know how can I put so that you can understand me, my people. So yeah, right here, you can see we are leveling. We're trying to levelize so that we can plant even fruit. Yeah, so you can see this place here how it looks like at the same time. So these are, I was talking about our fruit. Actually, all this place that you are seeing here, there were many fruits here, many fruits. So but some circumstances, few fruits are remaining. Yeah, you can see actually there's no many fruits here, but after we finishing levelizing, we levelize at this place, we are going to plant many fruits. All these trees that you are seeing here, it's fruit, but this one, it's not fruits. We have fruits there. All these trees that you're seeing here, but the bigger tree, it's not fruits, but these ones, small ones here, greens, it's fruits, but the other one is not fruits. Yeah, so here the job is going on. At the same time, I thank God a lot, because if no God, so far I thank God a lot, because where we have reached, it's all about God. Hard working always pays. Yeah. So this is the tank. The job is going on here. Actually, we bought at another tank, a big tank at the back. We used to use this tank. So this tank, my people, after finishing building, you can see we are already putting we are under constructing. Yeah, so after this tank will be up, so we're going to put up so that the pressure, actually this tank, the small tank, will supply water inside our house. Yeah, like that, people. Yeah, so the job is going on here, that we are seeing here. The job is going on here. Yeah, so from here, and we have already put our gates, we have already putting our gates, my people. Yeah, so this will be our entry or exit. Yeah, you can use this one, you can use the other one where cars can pass, everything can pass. Yeah, so this place that we are seeing here, this is our main gate, our main entrance. Yeah, so that is our main entrance. And at the same time, we are building our place where can a gate man can stay, can. So this is how that we're seeing here. It's for proper security. And we can see we have a small room here. This is a small room, is a wash room. Yeah, this is the place of security people. Yeah, so guys, I want to enter inside because I have a job inside. Today is my duty for cleaning the house. Yeah, so guys, keep watching until the end. Yes guys, we are cleaning here today. We decided to come to clean at my brother's place. So we are moving this rubbish from inside here, each bedroom. We have started from the other bedroom. All of bedroom we have started cleaning with my friend here. So today we are cleaning. Yeah, so like this, my people. So we have started. We started with watering because of the dust. Yeah, right here there's no rain. Right now there's a lot of dust. So we decided first, before we started cleaning, we watering the house so that to avoid the dust. Yeah. Yeah. So guys, let me show you how we did the job. Yeah. So we started from this bedroom here. So this is the place that we started cleaning. So you can see how it looks like. It looks clean, guys. Yeah. Each bedroom we have already finished. Yeah. And the same time we arrange our timbers here. We have not finishing constructing, and those timbers will help us a lot. Yeah, those timbers will help us a lot. At the same time, guys, I want to take you outside here after I finishing sweeping. Yeah, I finishing cleaning inside here. I'm going to take you outside so that I can show you how the job going on, guys. So guys, keep watching until the end. Yeah, so guys, I was inside working, and right now here, this is our gate, how it looks like. Wow. So guys, our gates looks beautiful. Yeah, at the same time the construction is going on up, so I want to go up there so that I can show you the view point of up there to our gates. Yeah, so right now people are taking breakfast. Yeah, so when they finish taking breakfast, guys, they are going where they're supposed to. Wow. Yeah, so these are our stairs here. I want to go up. At the same time, we have not completing putting our grills. Yeah, because right here we don't have an electricity, so actually we use generator. Yeah, we use generator to put our grills, and we have not finishing putting our grills, but soon we're going to finishing putting our grills. Yeah, right there. Yeah, so guys, you can view our compound, how it looks like. Wow, everything is green. So up you can see how our gates looks like up there, and we have not finishing, my people. At the same time the job is going on. So this place that you're seeing here, when we are going to complete building our house, so when you come to visit us in our compound, so you can come and relax here. We are going to put a place where you can, right now here we have not finishing. You can see how it looks like. We have not finishing, but when we are going to finishing this place, we are going to put like a mattress, like how can I put so that my people can understand, something like a mattress so that you can come and relax. Yeah, so here maybe we're going to put a table, a small table. Yeah, you can come and relax. But after finishing our building our house, yeah, so right here, this is our house. Yes, my people, I was at work at home at my brother's place, and right now I decided to take you to different places, my people. And right now I'm a place where people coming and relax. Yeah, at our place we don't have the place where people coming and relax. So this place where my we have a road, I mean we have a river here, and this river people at this place, they are coming here. Some are coming to take baths here. Like there's a place down there I pass, there's a bridge there, there's a place where people are taking bath. Even this place that we are seeing here, but not that other place. Yeah, right here where am I, like the other place that we are seeing, guys, that place people are going, they usually take baths here. Yeah, at the same time I can see in the other side people are busy making nurseries. Nurseries, they're starting with making a nursery bed. Nursery bed, that's the point when they want to start planting something, or some, they're supposed to start with nursery bed and then they plant the seeds. Yeah, so at the other side you can see white, something white. Yeah, in this place that we're seeing here, you can see it's calm. I mean, no noise. Actually, this place, people are coming here and relax. So my people, I want to end my video from this side. If you're new here and haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, guys, kindly consider my subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, to share, like, and comment. And for the new subscriber, for return subscriber, thank you for coming back to watch my video. Yeah, kindly subscribe, share, and like. I love you all. Bye bye.